Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Before anything, I invite you to like this video, to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and to share. Like, subscribe, share before we continue, okay? In today's video, I'm showing you guys this delicious meal for yourself, your family, your guests. Very presentable, very tasty, really nice. It is one that is from Congo, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, to start the meal, the first thing I'm going to need is my chicken, which I have here. I'm going to start washing this chicken using some lime. I'm going to use 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and two small red onions. That's what I have sliced on my board right here. We are also going to need my signature mixture that I always tell you guys about if you've been watching my videos. But if you are new, this is a mixture of green onion, garlic, onion itself, celery, and a little bit of oil and a little bit of water that I blended. Okay, so this is what we have here. That's going to be for spicing the chicken. I have here some cracked pepper and garlic. This is black pepper, almost done but still useful. These are roasted garlic peppers, of course some smoked paprika, garlic powder, some salt, and I have Maggi cube. You can use chicken mix if you want. I'm gonna use some oil. We're gonna be eating these with some plantains, and pretty much I think this is all that we need. If you need anything else, I'm gonna let you guys know, but I'm using this for the chicken. This is gonna go in the oven. Okay, let's get started. Let me start washing the chicken. When you guys move ahead, you realize that I have no video showing you how to spice the chicken. Even further, there is no video showing how I was serving the meal. This is because my footage got deleted. I had so many setbacks with this video. I don't know if evil people are behind me. I don't know what the issue is, but you guys, if you don't see it, it's not because I didn't want to put it, but it's simply because that video got deleted and I managed to come with this together. Okay, the chicken is all washed, and I told you guys earlier there's no footage of me spicing the chicken, so I had already put the chicken in the oven and this part was already cooked. So I took it out to turn it around and to show you guys. I put the chicken in the oven to broil at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm gonna start getting this ready for the chicken. So I'll mix the onions, the red bell peppers, all the bell peppers and the green bell peppers together. I'm gonna add some mayo. Mix it well together. It's ready. I'm gonna use some of this juice in there too. Now I'm going to be cutting my pieces of chicken. it from Superstore. Probably can get it at Walmart or anything like that. I'll double it. Little pan which is oven safe. I'm gonna start getting the plantain ready now to fry because we're eating that with some food. After a couple of minutes in the oven, our poulet mayo is out and ready. Looking yummy, delicious, you know. And I am now serving the plantains ready to. I am putting serving and everything. Now for this footage, I had another camera at the back, but there's a footage that shows the plate and everything. That one was deleted. Here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you loved the video. And see you guys next time.